A business plan for a plumbing company should cover 5 main parts. You need a summary of your business goals, a breakdown of your services, a look at your local competition, a marketing plan, and a clear financial forecast that shows your startup costs and expected income for the first year or two. Think of a business plan like a map for a road trip. If you just start driving without knowing where you're going, you will waste gas and get lost. The same thing happens with a plumbing business. You need to know how much money you have, how much you will spend on trucks, tools, and licenses, and how many customers you need each month to stay open. Here is something a lot of people do not know. Many successful plumbing companies actually make more profit from small maintenance jobs and inspections than from big emergency repairs, because those smaller jobs are steady and predictable, while emergency calls are random and harder to plan around. Building your plan around steady work, like seasonal checkups or maintenance contracts with landlords, can keep your income more stable than chasing only the big jobs. One common mistake is guessing at prices instead of researching what plumbers in your area actually charge. A simple fix is calling a few local competitors or checking online listings to see typical rates before you set your own. Another mistake is forgetting to plan for slow seasons. Since plumbing work can dip in certain months depending on your location, setting aside a small cushion of savings from busier months can help cover those slower stretches. A third misconception is thinking a business plan is something you write once and never touch again. Your plan should be reviewed every few months and updated as your costs, competition, or goals change, so it stays useful instead of collecting dust. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app Japateer, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.